Hi guys, my name is Peter and welcome to the video. So this is a series of videos where I will be talking about the different JavaScript methods that you can use to iterate over an array. And today we will be starting off with the forEach method. So forEach is nothing but it is basically an abstraction of the normal for loop that we have used. Say for example, I can write something like for let I is equal to 0, I less than array.length I++, and I'm going to simply log each element of the array. So if I basically run this code on the terminal, you can see that each and every element of the array is logged onto the console one after the other, which means that the for loop went over each element at a time, one after the other. So I'm pretty sure that you guys are familiar with this kind of a syntax. And now I'm going to show you how we can write the same code using forEach. So I'm going to mention the array in which that I want to iterate. So that is the array itself. Dot forEach method is what we are going to use to iterate over the array. So forEach basically expects a function, and the function can have up to 3 arguments. The first argument is basically the iterator itself. So I'm going to name the iterator as num. And the second argument is the index. So if you want to do something with the index, you can also access the index. And the third argument is the array itself. So here I'm going to simply console log the num. And let's see what's going to happen. So I'm going to comment down the log inside the for loop. And let us run the code again. And here you can see that I'm getting the exact same result. So which means that the forEach method went over each and every element. So for each element in the array, the forEach called this particular function. So that is what happened. So for each element, the function is getting called, and inside the function we have the num, which is the number itself, and we have logged the number. So I can also log the index if I want to do so. Now I can also see the index of the element which starts at 0 and ends at 4. So now if you compare both of these code, you can see that the second code using forEach is a lot more cleaner, and also we need not define all these variables manually because a lot of these things are handled by the method itself. And here you can see that I'm basically using a normal function syntax, but instead I can also use a callback function. So all I have to do is to remove the function name from here and use an arrow function, and that is going to do the same thing, and the code looks even more cleaner right now. So this is basically the use case of forEach, and I hope that you guys got a basic idea regarding what is forEach and what it exactly does. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video where we'll be talking about the map iterator. Thank you.